Are you ready to dive into the culinary heart of Japan? Join me as we explore the vibrant, diverse, and utterly delicious world of Tokyo's food scene. From hidden ramen spots to Michelin-starred experiences, get ready to embark on a mouthwatering journey like no other. So grab your chopsticks and let's get started. First up, traditional Japanese cuisine. Tokyo is home to some of the best sushi in the world. You should visit revered sushi bars and learn what makes Edo-style sushi unique. Next, dive into the world of ramen. With endless varieties, each ramen shop in Tokyo offers a unique taste. And let's not forget tempura, crispy, light, and a true art form here in Tokyo. Moving on to the streets where the real flavors of Tokyo come alive. We'll taste takoyaki, those delicious octopus balls that are a must-try. Then, it's off to the yakitori alleys for some grilled goodness. And for the sweet tooth, we'll explore treats like taiyaki, mochi, and matcha-flavored desserts. Tokyo isn't just about mainstream Japanese food. There is so many regional specialties, such as Tsukishima for manjayaki, a must-try Tokyo-style savory pancake, and Tokyo's unique okonomiyaki. There is also to explore top-notch French and Italian restaurants and check out some incredible fusion foods. For those who love a touch of luxury, Tokyo's high-end dining will not disappoint. As of 2023, Tokyo boasts a remarkable total of 200 restaurants that have been awarded Michelin stars. The Michelin Guide Tokyo 2023 details these establishments, which collectively have received a total of 263 stars. This impressive tally includes 12 restaurants with 3 Michelin stars, 39 with 2 stars, and 149 with 1 star. This diversity and richness affirm Tokyo's status as a leading city for fine dining and gastronomic excellence. And what's food without drinks? Try out the best steak in the world while visiting Tokyo's, and try also the best speakeasies, and even explore the burgeoning craft beer scene. Want to take your love for Japanese cuisine to the next level? Explore the best food tours and cooking classes in Tokyo. Learn to make sushi from the masters themselves. Every season in Tokyo brings new flavors, but our favorite is fall. The fall season brings a variety of seasonal delicacies. Among these are ginkgo nuts, jinin, which are known for their sweet and slightly nutty flavor after cooking, despite their stinky raw state. Asari clams also gain popularity in autumn, offering a burst of oceanic flavor to dishes. Additionally, shinmai, or new rice, harvested and sold within the same year, is a fall favorite, known for being softer and juicier than older rice. These ingredients are commonly incorporated into various traditional Japanese dishes like chawanmushi, egg custard, soups and stews, enhancing the culinary experience during the autumn months in Tokyo. And before we wrap up, let's talk practicality. Dining etiquette, navigating the city's food scene, we've got all the tips you need to make the most of your culinary adventure in Tokyo. Oshibori. You'll often be provided with a hot towel, oshibori, at restaurants. Use it to clean your hands, and if you wish to wipe your face, do so before your hands. Chopsticks. Proper usage is crucial. Avoid leaving them sticking up in your bowl, especially in rice, as this resembles incense sticks at a funeral. When picking food from a shared plate, use the opposite end of your chopsticks to prevent transferring germs. Rice. It's customary to pick up the rice bowl with your non-dominant hand and use chopsticks with the other. If you struggle with chopsticks, it's acceptable to ask for a fork. Sauces. Instead of pouring sauces over your meal, use them for dipping. Drinking. Don't pour your own drink first, serve others first from a communal pitcher or teapot. Bills and tipping. Splitting the bill is common, and tipping is not customary in Japan. If included, service charges are generally added automatically. Reservations. Planning is key, especially for popular spots. Many restaurants are small, so they take cancellations seriously. Use booking websites like TableCheck, Toretta, and Tabelog for reservations. Eating times. Peak dinner time is between 6:30 and 8:30 p.m., but many restaurants accommodate early and late diners. Walk-in options are available for those willing to wait. Seasonal and chef's selection menus. Many high-end restaurants offer omakase, chef's selection menus, showcasing the best seasonal ingredients. As we end our delicious journey, remember, Tokyo's food scene is ever evolving. There's always something new and exciting to try. So on your next trip to Tokyo, let your taste buds lead the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures. Sayonara and happy eating!